Oh, hi, Tito T. Kamusta? Why are you outside?
Well, I'm just testing the weather outside. Ang ganda kasi. And I wanted to shoot B-roll sana, kaya lang wala naman akong model subject for today. So, can you film me instead?
Aba sure. What camera are we going to use? Eh wala ka naman dalang camera.
What do you mean? I have the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G with me, oh. And ito yung gagamitin natin for today's shoot.
But why just use a phone?
You are probably underestimating my phone. Bukod sa high resolution ng video nito, meron din itong tinatawag na super steady feature.
Super steady? Yung parang naka-gimbal?
Exactly, kasi meron itong tinatawag na built-in stabilization software.
Oh, really? Care to share a sample?
Oh, let's try. Even though we are shooting with shaky hands while walking, there's minimal to no shake in the video.
How about when shooting a moving person?
Well, ganun pa rin yun. Halika, follow me. Kita mo, nasa gitna pa rin ako ng shot natin. And very minimal yung effect ng paglalakad. The clip is not disturbing for the viewer. And the raw footage is great.
Maganda talagang stabilization ng Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Of course, tumatakbo ka, may shake talaga. But the phone is so good at minimizing it to the point that you don't really notice the shakes.
Bigat naman yan, Tito T.
Yes, talagang ang epic ng Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Perfect for capturing those everyday epic moments. Both for pro and amateur filmmakers. Tara, let's shoot!